Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So this is a very special video because we are going to create a Tableau dashboard in this video, and for this we will use our Tableau Sample Superstore data that is already available in Tableau desktop. Okay, so we have connected to our database already. So in this dashboard we are going to see a lot of things. Okay, we are going to see advanced calculations, parameters, filters, KPIs, and custom visualizations as well. So in this video, we are going to cover a lot of things that are available in Tableau, like fixed LODs as well, some calculations as well. So please stay tuned in this video and please watch the video till end. It will be really helpful for you. So without wasting any time, let's start with our video. Okay, so I will name it as KPI first. So let's start to build our like dashboard visualizations. And for dashboard visualization we are going to create like four KPIs. So first I will name the sheets: KPI first, KPI second, KPI third, KPI fourth. So we will use four KPI in this dashboard. Okay, so for that first we will take like this is a advanced dashboard. So I think we will take some calculation field in the KPI as well. So for that we will create our first KPI, that is like highest sales region KPI. Okay, so I will show you. First for that I will create a new date, because as you can see in our order date there is a data till only 2023. Okay, but I want to take 2024 data as well. So for that we will create a new order date. Okay, to add 2024 in this year, we are going to use a date add function. We are going to add 1 year. The year we want to add, that is 1 year we want to add in order date field. Okay, let's click on apply. Okay, now as you can see it will shows 2024 year to us. Okay, so to create first KPI, take our new order date. Let's make it as just date. Okay, take our new order date into the filter shell. Choose month and year. Select any one month and let's click on apply. Okay. Okay. And show this filter. Now we want the region which is the highest sales in January 2021. Not that region sale, we want to that region name. So for that we will take our region in the text. Okay. And now we want to find only one single region, like in January 2021 what is the highest sale region, that we want to find here. So for that we need to create one calculation field and I will name it as region KPI. Okay, and the calculation field is pretty simple. Window max sum of sales is equal to sum of sales. Okay, so this is a simple calculation field. We want to find maximum sales in each month. So let's take this boolean field into the filters. Click on true, apply, and OK. Okay. Now you need to do in this calculation field, you need to apply computing and region. Okay. Apply true. Let's click on OK. So now as you can see, it will shows you the region in which month which region have the highest sales. So like in January 2021 the south region have highest sales. Likewise if you select any other, in June 2021 the east region have highest sales. Okay, so the our first KPI is ready here. Now we will move to the our second KPI. The KPI I think we will create some another advanced KPI here. So for that, okay, so we will use the profit margin KPI. It's very difficult to find KPIs, but like whatever KPI you want to take, just try to create a new KPIs other than this we have available in this data source some measures, but other than these measures try to create some new KPIs as well, so it will help you to practice on your Tableau as well. So in profit margin we will create one new KPI, that is profit margin KPI, and let's create that is sum of profit divided by sum of sales into 100, because you want to find margin of that profit. Let's click on OK. Take this profit margin KPI field into the text, and as you can see our profit margin are here. Let's move to the third KPI. So I think now we have created two KPIs with the help of calculations and all these things. So now we will take a simple KPIs, that is sales, and the next KPI is profit. Okay, so our four KPIs is ready here. I will name it as profit. Okay, and I will name it as sales. So as you can see, I am typing like small in small letters or capital letters. So forget it. Like it's a cosmetic changes. You can change it anytime. So try to use a proper cosmetic changes while creating the dashboards. Here I am taking like some capital words, small words. So remember these things while creating the dashboard. Okay. So I'm not going to like write it properly because we have a lot of things to do in this dashboard. So let's move to the next step. And our next step is, I will name it as visualization first. So we are going to create like 3 to 4 visualizations in this dashboard. So right now I will name it 4 sheets: visualization first, visualization second, visualization third, and visualization fourth. Okay, so now we will create our first visualization, that is create dynamic measure and dynamic dimension view. Okay, so in this visualization you are going to like very much handy on the calculation as well as parameters. Okay, so how to create parameters we will see in this visualization as well. So let's start with the visualization. First we will create our parameter. You can take any field that you, whatever field you want to take. So first we will take dynamic dimension. Okay, data type is string because we want to take dynamic values here, and we will take category, region, and another, I think we will take segment. Chalo, let's segment, and let's click on OK and show the parameter. So our dynamic dimension is ready here. Okay, so category, region, and segment. So if you want to see, you can check once again how I created this. I will name it as dynamic dimension, data type is string, and I have created one list, and in this list manually I have typed the values that I want to like write in the parameter. Likewise, I will create one more parameter, that is dynamic measure parameter. Okay, and same, take a string, list, and in this dynamic measure, suppose I will select profit, sales, and one more I will select suppose discount. Okay, let's click on OK and show the dynamic measure parameter. Now as you can see, our two parameters is created here, that is dynamic measure and dynamic dimension. So we are going to use these parameters in this view. Okay, so whatever field, suppose user select category, to it will shows category wise profit. When sorry, user select region, so it will shows region wise profit. When user select segment, so it will shows segment wise profit. Okay, likewise if region select category, so it will shows category wise profit, sales, discount, whatever user want to select. So this is the main important view in this scenario. So now we will create one calculation to connect these parameters in this view. So I will name it as same dynamic view, sorry, dynamic measure. Okay, and in this dynamic measure I am going to write one case statement and our dynamic measure parameter. Okay, when we have sales, then I want to take sum of sales. Okay, when we have profit, then I want to take sum of profit. Okay, when I have like discount, then I want to take sum of discount. Okay, and let's end this calculation. So as you can see, we have three fields: profit, sales and discount. Profit, sales and discount. Let's click on apply. Okay, take this into the rows. So now we have our measure field is ready. Likewise we will create our uh, dimension calculation as well. So dynamic dimension. Okay, so also for dynamic dimension, we will take our case, our dynamic dimension parameter here. Okay, after this, same likewise, when we have category, so we will find, we have taken category, region and segment. So when we have category, then we want to find category. When I select region, then I want to select region. When I will select segment, so it will shows me, then it will shows me segment. Okay, and let's end this. Click on apply. Okay, take this dynamic dimension into the column shelf. So now let's open the text. So as you can see, now if I select category here, it will shows me category wise profit. If I select region, it will shows me region wise profit. If I select segment, it will shows me segment wise profit. Okay, so this is the scenario here. And the last thing is profit. If I want to find sales wise, so it will show sales wise. If I want to find profit wise, it will shows me profit wise. So this is our first visualization. We will take dynamic dimension into the color, so it will shows the bar into the different color. Okay, let's hide this card, legends card, and let's move to the visualization second. In visualization second, we will create a calendar chart. Okay, to, like, if user want to see profitable days or loss days or all days into the calendar per month wise or year wise, so we will create one calendar chart here. So for create calendar chart, we will take our new order date into the column shelf. Okay, for more, we will select weekday. Okay, uh, like watch carefully because it's a little tricky chart. Let's move to the again I will drag our new order date field, and again from more I will make it as a week number. Okay, again take our new order date into the filter shelf, select month and year. Okay, Just click 1 month. Let's click on apply and OK. And let's show the filter. So now it will shows us only January 2021 5 weeks data, and likewise the days. So let's make it as entire view. Okay. Now we want to take days here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 30 days. So for that, take new order date into the text and make it as day. Okay. So now as you can see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6 like our month wise day. So whatever skip days are there, so they like on that days sales are not happen. So that's why it is showing null days to us. So only it will shows that days on that days the sales is are like happen in the sample superstore data. So let's now we will take our profit into the color shelf and we will make it as square. Okay. So now as you can see, our calendar chart is ready here. Okay. But now if suppose I will make it as single value drop down to the our filter, and I will hide the legends card. Now as you can see, like in August month, or suppose I will go to deep down some months. Okay. So in this months we want to find what are the our profitable days, what are the our like negative days, negative profit days. So you can find it with the help of the sum of profit. So take sum of profit into the filters into the text. Now if I select suppose January 2021, so as you can see in January 2020 on the fourth date it will shows minus 66. So it is a negative profit, and otherwise again it will on the 7th date 2021 it will shows minus 72. So it will again minus profit. So I want to give the access to the user that if user select only profit, so it will shows only profit days. If user select only a loss, so it will shows only loss days. And if user select all, so it will shows all days in the calendar. So how we can achieve this? So for that we will create one another parameter, that is profit, loss and all parameter. Okay. So I will name it as profit, loss and all parameter. Let's take the data type as a string. In the list, select the values that is profit, loss and all. Okay. Let's click on OK. Let's show the parameter. Okay. So we have our profit, loss and all. Three buttons are here in the parameter. Now we need to create one calculation field to connect this parameter into this visualization. So I will name it as again same profit loss parameter calculation, and the calculation is like case our parameter profit loss and all parameter. Okay. When I will select profit in the visualization, then the sum of profit I want in positive, so sum of profit is greater than 0. Okay. Then next is when I will select profit, sorry, so we need to put profit into the quote. Okay. Then when I will select loss, then it will shows me sum of profit is less than 0. Okay. And the third condition is when I select all, then I will copy paste it. Then I want to find sum of profit is greater than 0, or as well as sum of profit is less than 0. Let's control V and let's end this calculation. The calculation is valid. Let's click on apply. Okay. So it will create one boolean field. So take that boolean field into the filter shelf. Let's click on true and OK. So now as you can see, now I have selected profit in the visualization. So in the parameter, so it will shows me only the profit days. If I select loss, so it will shows me only the loss days in the visualization, like what are the minus profit days in this month, and what are the all, like if I select all, so it will shows me profit as well as minus profit days. So likewise in each and every month you can find the profit and loss days. Okay, so this is our second visualization in this chart. Our third visualization is, I will write the question here. Show the city whose sales in between 0 to 5,000, okay, comma 5,000 to 10,000, comma 10,000 to 12,000, and else others. Okay, so this is our question for this visualization. Okay, so now for this we need to create one calculation field to achieve this scenario, and I'm not very much proud on this calculation, but I think it's find easy to me, so that's why I'm going to use this calculation, and I will name it as city wise sales count. I have already taken this scenario in my scenario Tableau scenario playlist. So this scenario I asked in the Tableau interview as well. So that's why I'm going to take this scenario in this dashboard. So let's write the calculation. So the calculation is if fix city, okay, and we want to fix city sum of sales. So then what we want, the sales is less than 5,000, then we want 5,000, okay, 0 to 5,000. You can say 0 to 5,000, okay. Then our next condition is else if fix city sum of sales, okay, after completing the sum of sales is less than 10,000 and fix city sum of sales, okay, is greater than or equal to 5,000, then show me 5,000 to 10,000, okay. So this is our second condition. Let's move to the third condition, that is else if fix city sum of sales, okay, is less than 12,000 and same condition fix city sum of sales is greater than equal to 10,000, then I want to show 10,000 to 12,000, okay. So this is our and the last condition is else others, and let's end this calculation. So it will shows error to us, so let's find the error. Expected closing parenthesis, so I think here we need to forget closing parenthesis. Now it will shows value to us. So I will explain you once again calculation. So the calculation is if fixed city, we want to fix our city, and what we want to fix on cities, sum of sales is less than 5,000, then we want 0 to 5,000. Else if fixed city sum of sales is less than 10,000 and greater than 5,000, so it will shows us 5,000 to 10,000. Likewise, we have given the same condition for the other as well. Let's click on apply. Okay. Take this field into the row shelf. Okay. Now take cities because we want to find city wise count. Take cities and make it as count distinct and make it as discrete. So now as you can see, we have get our distinct city count, like in which cities 0 to 5,000 sale are happen, in which cities 5 to 10,000 sales are there, in which cities 10 to 20,000. So likewise we want to find the cities count. Okay, so I will also write here city count we want. Okay, let's click on OK. So this is the our scenario. I hope you everyone understand this scenario. Try it once by your side, so it will like helpful for you as per the interview perspective and for the hands-on on the W. So let's move to the our fourth visualization. That is, I will take suppose I will take state. Okay, so I will take state and state-wise map chart, and from automatic I will make it as map. Okay, now we will take our state into the text label and also state into the color. And let's hide this card, legends card. Now we have our states here. So now for the states we will use, suppose like user wants, if I select British Columbia, so I need to I need to find the all details related to Columbia state. So we can do one, we can create one condition here. We can apply URL action for this visualization. So sorry, for that we will go into the worksheet and into the actions. We will add action and we will add go to URL action. Sorry, first of all, we need to like copy the URL path first. Okay, so for that I will copy the URL path first and I will name it as California, suppose. And in the California onto the Wikipedia, as you can see in our search bar we have a URL path. So let's copy this URL path, Control C, and now go to the Tableau, worksheet, actions, and now add action, go to URL. Okay, so which one is your sheet? So select that sheet only. So our sheet is visualization 4. So select visualization 4. I want to open the new browser tab. Let's click on select, run action on select, and paste your URL that you have applied. And instead of this California, if you select California here, so whatever state you are going to select, it will show only California. So for that you need to insert your state and provenance field here. Okay, so we will select state and provenance. Let's click on OK. Okay, now whatever state you have selected, it will automatically create one new open browser window and shows the details of that state. So suppose I will select Washington. So now as you can see, it will open a new window of the on Google Chrome and shows the all the details related to Washington city. So this is the our fourth visualization. Okay, so I think our visualization is done now and our KPIs is also done, and we have used lot of things in this dashboard. So now let's move to the, I think let's move to the create dashboard. Okay, so in this dashboard we will select automatic size. Okay, and we are going to create a floating dashboard. In our previous dashboard video, I have already shown how to create tile dashboard, but in this video we are going to like create a floating dashboard. So for that we will take our all the sheets in the floating format. Okay, so we will take our first KPI. First I will show you the dashboard title, and I will name it as Advanced Sample Superstore Dashboard. Okay, let's click on Control A, bold in the middle, and let's OK. So this is our Sample Superstore name. From layout I will apply the border as well. Okay, now I will apply border to this container as well. And let's take our sheets into the floating. So I will take my first KPI here. So the first KPI is like our region KPI. So from the text, from alignment, make it as center. Okay, and from here as well, make it as entire view. So this is our first KPI, and I will name it as region KPI. Okay, I think the okay, so the first KPI is ready. Now make it as single value drop down to this filter. Okay, so now it is very lengthy filter. So we are going to like apply our filters and parameters into the right side of the dashboard. Okay, so if you want you can create a tile dashboard as well, but for the time consuming process I am going to create a floating dashboard and apply the borders to the KPIs and filters. Okay, now we are going to select our second KPI, that is profit margin. Font is 8. Apply. Okay, from the alignment make it as center. Okay, and from here make it as entire view. So our second KPI is here. Let's drag our third KPI, that is sales. So same likewise you need to make it as an entire view, and also from the sheet you need to apply it as a center through the alignment. Okay, and also for the title as well. So this is our third KPI. Let's move our third KPI, fourth KPI, that is profit. Likewise same, fit entire view, from the sheet alignment is in the center, and the dashboard title size is 8 into the middle. Okay, so now we will arrange our KPIs. Okay, so I think we will take our KPIs and arrange it. This is the second KPI. This one is third. Apply the border as well. Okay. So these are the like cosmetic changes you can do as per your requirement. So I'm going to try as much as possible. Okay. So this is our four KPIs here. Let's move to the next part. Drag our visualizations as well. Take these parameters into the right side and apply borders to this visualization as well as parameters. Okay. So now after this, drag your second visualization. Okay. Take your parameters and filters into the right side of the dashboard. Apply border again. Okay. So now our visualizations are here in the dashboard. Now next, drag our visualization third. Okay. And I will remove the dashboard title. Okay. And make it as an entire view. Let's drag our visualization fourth here. Okay. So our visualizations are here. And now we are going to use actions. So first arrange your dashboard properly. Okay. So after this, like whatever border and this cosmetic changes you want to do into the dashboard, you can do as per your requirement. Now, as you can see, we have some blank spaces here. So I will move my parameters and filters onto the blank spaces. Okay. And I will try to add more buttons into the dashboard. Okay. So I think already I have shown in the previous dashboard as well. Now I think our dashboard is arranged properly in the proper format. Now I'm going to use a reset button as well. Okay, for this charts. So let's go on to the dashboard, and in the dashboard we have one extension here, the dashboard extensions. Okay, and let's add search filter bookmark extension in the dashboard extension. So I have already searched, so I will directly select filter bookmarks. Okay, so in the filter bookmarks, I am going to apply reset button to my filters. So I will make it as button style as a text button. Ignore setting and just clear the filters. And I'm going to select all the sheets filters. Okay, so whatever sheets are there with the filters, so it will automatically reset all the sheet filters. Okay, so let's click on OK. Adjust the size of reset button and take this reset button here wherever you want to take. So I'm going to, I have a blank space here, so that's why I'm going to take here. And now if I select only a single month, and from here if I select only single month, and I will present the dashboard. Now if I select revert filters, so it will revert all the filters to all option. Okay, so this is the use of our revert filters. Okay, now I am going to add some like PPT downloads and PDF download buttons as well to this dashboard. So for that, I'm going to use the buttons here. So as you can see in dashboard objects, you have an option in your left side corner, that is download. Okay, so in the download button, drag this button and let's double click on it. So the button is PDF. I'm going to use image, choose image, and I have already downloaded the image. Okay, so the PDF image I have already downloaded. Let's open, and I'm going to enter the tooltip as a download PDF. Okay, let's click on apply. Okay, so now as you can see, our download PDF button is here. So with the help of this button, I will apply border as well. Now just 1 minute, I will add one more button, that is PPT as well. Okay, so I'm going to adjust KPI size little bit because we have a null spaces, so that's why I'm going to adjust the KPIs. Okay, so now I have taken the download PDF button as well. So from here you can select PowerPoint, cross tab or image as well. So now I'm going to apply a PowerPoint button. Let's click on image, choose the PowerPoint button, open, and the tooltip is download PPT. Okay, let's apply. Okay, so now as you can see in this dashboard, we have used lot of things like KPIs. With the help of calculations, we have created custom views. We have created calendar chart. We have created a URL action state map chart, and also the count of cities. So all the visualizations we have created with the help of some calculations. Okay, and also we have used parameters and filters as well. Also we have used a reset button as well, and also we have used a PPT download and PDF download button as well. So if you want to see how the PPT download and PDF download works, press Alt and click on the PPT, and now you can directly save your workbook as a PPT format in your local PC. Likewise, if you select, if you press Alt Control PDF, so it will directly shows you the like whatever page you want to save as a PDF, or if you want to save entire workbook as a PDF. Okay, so this is the use of these buttons and this is the use of this dashboard. So I hope everyone likes this dashboard, and if you like this dashboard, please do like and subscribe for the channel. And please, if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. We will definitely try to resolve that doubts. And thank you guys, I hope you like this video, and try to subscribe my channel so it will give me a motivation to create more videos like this. And that's it in this video. Thank you guys, thank you so much.